ACL, or the anterior cruciate ligament, is a ligament that connects two bones in the knee. It is like a piece of rope that holds the two bones together. In this example, you can see where the ligament goes from the lower bone up to the upper bone. When the ACL is torn, or the piece of rope is torn, the lower bone will move out from the upper bone, and this will cause looseness or instability in the knee. It is commonly injured with sports activities, but can also happen with simple acts such as stepping off of a curb or going down the stairs and twisting your knee. When the ACL is torn, a physical examination by the orthopedic surgeon will show that the lower bone moves too much from the upper bone, as you can see in this example. It also causes the two bones to pivot on each other. This is a concern because this pivoting will cause tears to cartilage and other structures in the knee. An MRI is sometimes performed. The two arrows here show where the normal ACL should be. Instead, it's torn and laying flat. In this situation, the ACL has to be replaced by drilling a tunnel in the bone and putting a new ACL to replace the torn one. This example shows where a new ACL has been drilled through the bone and placed into the knee to stabilize it and prevent further injury.